Okay, hello. Today we're going to be looking at lesson 10.3. So on our Zoom meetings, we've already gone over 10.1 and 10.2. So looking at our essential question today, how can you compare and convert customary units of weight? So we all know what compare means, see how two things are the same, but then convert means to change. So how can we compare and convert units of weight? We're going to move past our lizard. So Hector's school is having a model rocket contest. To be in the contest, each rocket must weigh 3 pounds or less. Without any paint, Hector's rocket weighs 44 ounces. If Hector wants to paint his rocket, what is the weight of the most paint he can use? So looking at this problem, we know we have pounds and we have ounces. We're going to have to convert our ounces into pounds. We need to figure out how much paint he can put on his rocket with it still being under 3 pounds. So first, we have to figure out how many ounces are in a pound. We know that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound, so we can go ahead and write this down. 16 ounces. Instead of writing out the whole thing, we write OZ, and that equals 1 pound. And for pound, instead of writing out the whole POUND, we write LB. So 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound. Now we go back here, we say it has to weigh 3 pounds or less. Okay, so his rocket currently weighs 44 ounces. If I know that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces, I know that I can multiply 16 by 3, because 16 ounces 3 times would give me 3 pounds. So 3 times 6, 18. Carry my 1. 3 times 1 plus 1 more is 48. So 48 ounces is equal to 3 pounds. Now going back to our problem, currently Hector's rocket weighs 44 ounces. It cannot weigh any more than 48. So how many ounces of paint can he put on his rocket? I'm going to give you a minute. Okay, so hopefully you were able to figure out 48 ounces is 3 pounds. His rocket already weighs 44 ounces. So if I subtract my 44 from 48, I'm going to be left with 4 ounces. So that is the maximum, the total amount of paint that he can put on his rocket. He can put on 4 ounces of paint to not go over the 3 pound limit. So your answer, 4 ounces. Next problem we have is the rocket boosters for a US space shuttle weigh 1,292,000 pounds each when the shuttle is launched. How many tons does each rocket booster weigh? So for this, we're going to need to know how many pounds are in a ton, which is 2,000. So go ahead and work on this, and then in the next video, we'll work it out. So take a minute to try and solve this problem.